Alrighty guys, welcome to part 3B of my Fedders WeatherWheel restoration progress. And this video here, we are gutting the chassis finally. While I was drilling for the third bolt, it actually broke, so because it was so badly corroded. And so now the fan unit should come out when I remove the final screws here that secures it to the condenser. So anyway guys, so the tools we're going to use for this job are my my PH1 Phillips bit on my extension on my DeWalt DC A25 impact driver. So here's the tools we're going to be using for the job. So let's go ahead and take the fan out so we can get it repaired. Alright, so we're going to Alright, let's see where that went. Okay, it went down in the bottom there. So yes guys, you gotta be really careful near the capillary tube that you don't accidentally snap it. So anyway, I'm gonna do this. Alright. So we got that side done. So those first C screws are removed. So I'm going to put my light back up here for now, and we're going to turn my weather wheel. That way it faces the other way. So yes guys, the bracket comes in handy too, so that's why I installed it. So I figured if we were going to be doing a lot of, heavy repairs and stuff, I figured, you know what, I might as well install the bracket. So now we're going to turn my weather wheel again. This time we're going to turn it 90 degrees to the right. So I'm going to move my impact and water out of the way. That way we can turn it and remove the other screws, and then we'll put it on the bracket and we'll remove the fan unit. Alright, so give me just a sec here guys so we can do this. Yes guys, sometimes it's just easier to slide it a little bit and then turn it as needed, which is what we're doing right now. Oh, guys, hold on. We just got snagged on a line. It's never good. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to put you guys over here. And so this is going to be part 3B, and part 3C will be actually taking the fan out. So I'm going to bring my work light over here. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to put my work light right here. So that way we can see what we're doing. Gonna put that just like that. So what you guys are gonna see here is gonna see me removing the last screws. All right. Now, just so you guys know, you do not have to unscrew it from the condenser. You have to unscrew that top screw there, and all the other screws I already removed. So now, guys, we're gonna see, as you guys can see, we have no rot. So guys, what I'm gonna do real quick here is I'm gonna show you how to make a drain hole on the right side of the unit. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. See this, guys, I did get oil. I had to oil my drill bit, so. Alright, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to pick a nice spot. And I'm going to pick right here because there's already a. Alright. Well, guys, that didn't work, so. Actually, wait a minute, guys. We have a little bit of rot going on right there. But yeah, guys, so if you guys ever want to make your own little drain hole. Alright, guys. Oh, alright, just dropped it. Power cord. Okay, so anyway, guys, that worked out better than I thought it would. I didn't think we were going to get this far today, and surprisingly we did, so we're going to move on to part 3C, which is taking the fan out.